Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a team event in Schedule. Need to schedule meetings with multiple team members? Team events are perfect for group coordination, making scheduling seamless and hassle-free. Whether it's business meetings, specialized consultations, or client discussions, Schedule ensures seamless coordination by accommodating multiple team members in a single booking. Let's set up your team event in just a few simple steps. Navigate to the Event Types section, click New, then from the drop-down menu, you'll see two options: Create New Personal Event and Create New Team Event. Choose Create New Team Event. This opens the team event creation interface, which consists of 5 key sections: Event Setup, Assignment, Limits, Advanced Settings, and Notifications. In the Event Setup section, enter the event name. Give your event a clear and meaningful title. Add a description. Briefly explain the purpose of the meeting. Set the duration. Choose how long each session will last, for example, 15 minutes. Assign team members. In the Assignment section, you'll find a scheduling type option with 2 choices. Round-robin meetings are assigned to one of the team members based on their availability and overall workload. Collective. All selected members must be available for the meeting to be scheduled. For this tutorial, we'll use the collective option. Choose the team members who need to attend from the list of members in your workspace. You can also add more team members by visiting the members link from the top bar. Schedule will automatically calculate the available time slots based on everyone's schedules, ensuring a conflict-free meeting. Set booking limits. You can enforce various booking limits like buffer time before and after meetings, minimum notice for booking the event, limit the number of times this event can be booked, and more. We have a separate video covering these in detail, so be sure to check that out. Customize advanced settings. In this section, you can allow guest invitations, let attendees invite others if needed. Customize the booking form. Collect essential details like name and phone number. You can also add custom questions if you want to collect more details from the person booking. Scroll down to brand settings. Here you can upload a social media image, enable redirect on booking, and add custom brand colors to match your style. These options help personalize the booking experience and keep your page consistent. Next, open the notification section. This is where you control when and how notifications are sent for this team event. Each notification block can be expanded and customized based on your workflow. You can also create a notification template from here. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save to generate a unique booking link for your event. Done. You've successfully created a team event in Schedule. Using Schedule team events helps you avoid conflicts, streamline the booking process, and keep your team organized and in sync. Now you're ready to create team meetings easily with Schedule.so.